Meet Billy, a 10-year-old boy whose heart beats for nothing more than the game of billiards. His days are filled with dreams of trick shots and perfect angles, often found sneaking away from homework to his private billiard table. One day, while playing, a billiard ball opened a magical door. Stepping in, Billy discovered a world filled with magical billiard tables. Each table, unlike any he'd seen before, held a unique ability. Some tables could change size, while others could alter the weight of the balls. There were tables that could even manipulate time, making the balls move in slow motion or at lightning speed. It was a place where the ordinary rules of billiards were turned on their head, creating an extraordinary game of strategy and skill. On his journey, Billy encountered unique characters. Billy met Q, the Lord of the Balls, capable of controlling all the balls in the world. Q was a character larger than life, with a magical stick that could guide any ball to its destination. Then came Pocket, the billiard's best friend, a pocket that could hold any ball with special abilities. Pocket was a character full of surprises, each fold of its fabric holding a new mystery to unravel. As Billy journeyed through this magical world, he engaged in billiard games with powerful opponents. Opening. Billy faced off against powerful opponents, from sparkling balls to transforming monsters. Each match was more than just a game, it was a classroom. With every shot and every miss, Billy learned. He learned about angles and power, about strategy and patience. He discovered that sometimes, the toughest challenges brought out the best in him. He learned that even in defeat, there were valuable lessons to be learned. And most importantly, he learned that he was capable of more than he ever imagined. Gradually, Billy became stronger and developed his combat skills. Through intense games and guidance from new characters, Billy grew stronger. His journey tested his persistence, nurturing his self-belief. Each challenge was a stepping stone, strengthening his skills, building his character. When Billy returned to the real world, he realized his passion was more than a game.